Hey everybody, it's Mark Yagi. Hope you're doing well. I have this position put on right now called the JuiceLever, and it's my newest course, and I'm excited about it, and I'll show you why. Yesterday or day before, I put out a math video just kind of showing you where I was here after a week, and it was up about $1,600. I just checked this morning. It's up about $2,200 in just a little over a week now. And I just want to show you what I've got because I'm about to roll the position. So I've got these short calls and short puts on the stock. Now, I also have long calls and long puts on them, but I kind of try to put those in the back of my mind. Yes, they move up and down, and I can't really control that. What I can control is how much juice I'm getting, how much income I'm getting. And so what I'm going to do, these are all expiring today. They were only out 3 days, and I'm going to roll them out another couple of days as well, and I'm going to see what I can get here. So let me show you how I'm looking. The stock is right now trading at around 560.77. Okay, and I'm going to show you what the profile of the trade looks like that I think I'm going to go into. Here we go. So looking at this profile, I'm going to sell the 562 calls slightly out of the money, and then I'm going to sell the 559 puts slightly out of the money, and I'm in it for that, just to collect the juice. You can also see that I have the 535 calls and the 580 puts long against the position. So those two should offset and be fairly delta neutral, and I'm really in it for the income here. So I'm going to go ahead and roll those now. Tired of doing all the things right and still falling short on income? Most traders are stuck playing stock guessing games, using outdated strategies, or holding too much risk just to make a little bit of income. But there's a smarter and more controlled way to pull consistent income every month. It's called the JuiceLever strategy, and I'm hosting a live training to show you exactly how it works. I'll walk you through this advanced options tactic that uses double diagonals and synthetic positions to help you scale up your income without adding massive risk. Join me live on Wednesday, July 23rd at 8 p.m. Eastern here on YouTube. It's free, it's live, and it's only for serious traders ready to upgrade their strategy. Now, this isn't a replay. There's no fluff, no muff, no theory. It's just real tactics that I've used with my mastermind clients. They're seeing some cool results, and we're pulling in consistent income from the market. Now, join us now because this training won't be repeated very often. So register now for Scale Your Income, the JuiceLever Live, and let's unlock what's possible with smarter trading. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to roll out to 3 days out, which is July 21st. Okay, today is July 18th, so this is only a little bit of weekend risk. I'm going to roll these to the 559s, okay? So we're going to go from the 559s to the 559s. It's a lateral roll. And then we're going to roll these puts to the 562s. So let's do the calls first. So I'm going to close those. It's a buy, so I'm going to close those out at the 559s. I'm going to roll to next week's 559s. Okay, and I got about $1.40 in juice, so I'm going to write that down. I always write down my juice right after I get the trade. Now, that's $1.40 times 500, so it's about, I don't know, $730 or $700, something like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this guy here, which is my puts, and I'm also going to roll this position. And I'm going to roll that one out to the 562s. So we're going to make sure these are the 562s. And by the way, I'm buying them back with, let's see what it is here, 19 cents worth of juice. You know, I'm buying them back with way less juice than I got when I sold them. So that's a net profit. And I'll show you on my next math update what that next profit looks like. We're going to buy to close the July 18th, and we're going to sell to open the 21st. Those are going to move up to the 562s, and we're going to place the order. And that's it. It's about a $1,200 profit just in the next 2 trading days, and it's about a 52% chance that that's going to happen. So look, I know it's a fairly new strategy for most people to look at the dark side of puts and the long side of covered calls and marry them together and mash them, and there's all these different things to consider, but I think it's worth it. It takes away a lot of the downside risk that you have with covered calls if you don't know how to sell in the money especially, and it increases the amount of juice that you get on both sides if you employ this strategy. There's some work involved in it, And anyway, I'm having that webinar on next Wednesday. I just had the promo in here, so thanks for sitting through that. But anyway, I'm just having if you want to join us, it's free. It doesn't cost you nothing. And we'll just have a discussion about the JuiceLever strategy. I think it's a really, really great way to make money. And it's a lot of fun, and we're having some success with it. Also, here's a commercial coming up right after this. I'm having an event in Clearwater, Florida. I'd love to have you come. And we're not going to just sit around and learn numbers, although that's going to be a big part of it. We're going to talk about the future and what trading means for you and how you can set up yourself for a retirement where you get reliable income from the strategies that we employ here at the Cash Flow Machine. So if you're interested in doing that, joining us in late September at Clearwater Beach, Florida. It's one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. I grew up there, and I'd love to see you there and meet you. I know a lot of you people are commenting, and you're really engaged in the channel, and I really appreciate that. But taking it to the next level and meet you in person would be cool. Listen, the promo's coming up, but if you don't register soon, we're going to be sold out. We've already got a ton of people coming, and there are, it's only a limited number of rooms at the hotel, and it's right on the beach. So if you want to bring somebody, great, bring them and have them go get some sun in late September when it's like the perfect time to be in Florida. Anyway, here's the promo on that, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye. What if you could lock in reliable income every month, no matter what the market's doing? Most investors are gambling with their retirement, hoping things work out. But hope is not a strategy, and that's why I created the Cash Flow Machine, a proven system that works in bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. Join me live in Clearwater, Florida, September 26th through the 28th for a powerful 3-day event that will change the way you trade forever. It's called the Wealth Accelerator Live. It's 3 days to build your income machine and rewire your wealth mindset. Here's what I'm going to deliver to you. Lifetime access to my full elite trading course. It's a $2,997 value. A personal trading plan that you can use right away. Mastery of the Juice calculator to engineer smarter trades. Hands-on sessions with real traders showing real income strategies. Behind-the-scenes tools we never teach online. Now, you'll be in a room with serious investors, people just like you who are scaling income and wealth with this repeatable system. And we're keeping it small and intimate. Spots are very limited, and we will sell out. Grab your early bird ticket today, and let's build your income machine together. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.